Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I am Dr. von Hossenmeyer, and today we will be performing an alien autopsy. This specimen has been found recently near Shag Harbor, Nova Scotia. It may have come from the crash that happened somewhere around 1967, and this creature may have been living under the water for that many years now. Chester Harriet, on a recent trip to Shag Harbor to eat some takeout food, has found this specimen and has brought it here to the Nova Scotia Alien Research Facility. We will be showing you the specimen shortly. Now I am back. I will be showing you the specimen. Here he is. Now notice his snarl on his face. He seems to be very aggressive. Now, if you put your finger near his mouth, oh, he will bite you. He is very aggressive. And now we are about to perform the autopsy. Now I will be placing the specimen on a very hard surface, and you will see the surface has been protected by a white lithoinium, a chromium Bunsen diamond, a protective layer, and so any splatter or any blood of any kind that come out of the specimen will not hurt any of the surfaces. So the next pictures you will be seeing will be the specimen on the table. Now, as you can see, the specimen has been placed onto the Oligochromoscope protective layer, and we are about to perform the autopsy. So here we go. I have my scalpel here. Oh, it seems the skin is very hard. It does not seem to be penetrating his special alien skin. I will have to try another tool. Next, we have a blowtorch. This blowtorch, it gets up to temperatures of 1,569,000,000,000,7 gajillion billion BTUs. It will pretty much burn anything on the surface of the earth. Here we go. Oh my gosh. The flame just seems to be bouncing off his skin like nothing is happening. We will have to try a different weapon. No, not weapon. Tool. As you can see here, the torch has browned the skin a bit, but it did not cut through. Now we have a new tool, and we are ready to perform the autopsy, and this tool shall work, I am sure of it. So here we go. As you can see, we have opened the alien, and his insides have been exposed. Even though his skin was green, it seems his insides are yellow. This, you can see, he still has the angry look on his face, even though his insides has been exposed. He does not seem to have very much for anatomy. It just seemed to be a gooey substance. Now, this concludes our Aryan autopsy. And remember, like Chester Hallett says, if you can't laugh with him, laugh at him. Thank you, and have a nice day.